This is Ellis, everyone, and today she's gonna help me make a cake. Not just any cake, the cake in my kids' book. This is the cake we're gonna make.
Isn't she a little young to make a cake?
What? Did you hear what Orhan just said? What do you think about that?
I made it even with my mom when I was a baby.
I know a lot of you are intimidated by baking. I can tell by the comments. And I know a lot of you are young. I won't tell you that it's easy, but you know what's the most important part? That you try. Because when you try, even if you fail, if you keep trying, you'll get it. That's how I got
You
here.
never give up.
That's right! Wait till you see what Ellis makes today. So this is a cake that Lil Yo wanted to make for her whole family. She wanted to put a layer for everyone in her family so that everyone's favorite flavor is included in the cake. Which flavor would you pick?
I will put chocolate, my favorite.
You're gonna stack it into a cake.
Squeeze a lot.
Yeah, we need simple syrup. I need to go fill her up, okay? I'll be right back. Okay.
Goodbye, Sa. Squeeze a lot.
Now we're going to simple syrup all the cake layers. Do you know why we simple syrup?
Why?
To help the cake stay moist. Because you know when you make a cake, right? Sometimes people don't eat it on the same day. Sometimes they eat it the next day at a party, or they have leftovers and then they're eating cake for a week. So we want to make sure it tastes. What's happening? Is someone coming in here?
No, I think I saw a fly.
Your spatula. I love the color of your spatula. Uh-oh. And that's how you solve that problem.
This is mustard.
That's good? Well, if you're happy, I'm happy. And guess what? Now you can add, there's a lot of buttercream cleaning today. Now you get to add your favorite flavor. What's that again?
Chocolate.
Okay, it's right there. You can add the chocolate. Good job. Look at the lining up of the layers. Okay. Oh yes, tasting the crumbs, also very important.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get a lot.
Okay, get a lot of crumbs. Then it's kind of like a bite, right? Okay, you ready? More buttercream?
Yep.
You've had a snack now, so I think you're ready. Nourished.
One more.
One more.
Here.
Right there. Yes, there was a little gap right there. Okay, good job. I love banana.
Well, all I do is sprout and then look.
Yeah, a scrouch. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Uh-oh, what are you gonna do about that?
Lick it. Delicious.
Delicious. Okay, great.
Don't worry, how about you do a good job of wiping my hands?
This one has a little boo-boo. It's okay.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
All right. I'm failing as a cake assistant. Here you
It's
go.
okay.
Carrot.
Maybe you can practice.
I should. It's the final layer. There we go. Okay, so what's next now? Are you ready to crumb coat and chill?
No, not cocoa yet. We still have to add some on the top.
Okay, yes.
Oh,
What do we do after that? Crumb coat and chill? It's very important, right? Tell them how important it is.
ready.
Exactly. Really, really, really important. And then we're gonna ice it and decorate it, which that's my favorite part. What's your favorite part?
Licking the buttercream. I still need more.
More buttercream? Okay, so let's get more buttercream. I'll be right back. Are you ready to make a drip? Okay, so I'm gonna pour this cream on because it's hot.
And it's yummy.
And it's yummy, and together they're even more yummy.
How about we both put it in together?
Okay, don't touch this part because it's hot. We'll both hold the hand. Yes, that's good. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Now it's time to melt. Now it smells like something that was not chocolate.
Okay, don't worry, it'll go back to smelling like chocolate. So we're just doing this to lock the heat inside for a little bit.
Well, and why is there a blue thing?
this blue thing helps scrape the bowl. You know when you make something in a bowl, you know how you use the scraper to get all the buttercream?
We can stir it, we can stir it. Yum, yum, yum.
Well, if you keep stirring, it's all gonna come together, and then it will look like melted chocolate.
Keep stirring. Come on and sing with me. Yes, keep stirring. It looks like brownie.
Oh, see? It looks like chocolate now. And how does it smell? Does it smell like chocolate again?
Yes, but now can I lick it then?
No.
Scraper?
Done.
Done? And then we can do the drip. Have you done a drip on a cake before?
It's yum.
So you don't want every drip to be the same size.
How about I do small and you do big? Gonna show you.
Yeah?
So I was thinking this.
Nice and shiny and chocolatey. Okay, look at this. It's beautiful. I get the feeling you like chocolate. I don't know where I got that feeling. So now we're gonna add something really fun. What do you think it is? I'll give you a clue. It's the name of my dog in the book.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles!
So you.
Yep.
And now your turn.
Almost there. I think we're gonna have just enough.
No, I still have
But
one.
then that's the one.
But it doesn't fit.
Okay, I don't know what to do. That was clever. Do you want to do like...
Yeah. This is the yummy cake day ever.
It is. Okay, so let's tighten the bag.
This is gonna be my favorite part. Woo! How about we do it together?
Okay.
Sometimes we need adult help.
I agree. I need adult help too. I need help being an adult though. It's different. So we could put a banana chip. Try it. It's good. I'll try one too. Look. Oh, we're doing more?
Now how about we do one here?
You want to do one in between? Okay.
Voila!
Voila!
This is the perfect cake. Do you agree?
I do agree. That's what I was just saying. It's the perfect cake.
Leave a comment down below if you like this cake and want to give a slice, have a cut.
And today's the day that Hattie Cake, its first children's book, comes out, The Perfect Cake. I'll put all the details below. There's kid-friendly recipes inside, so you can start wherever you want in your baking journey. Woohoo!
Yay!
You know what? I hope you guys enjoyed meeting Ellis today, and I hope she's encouraged you to bake something.
And fry sprinkles out.
And try sprinkles out, very important. There, now that is a look at the inside. I think I know, but which layer are you gonna taste?
This one.
Chocolate? I had no idea that you like chocolate. Oh, you didn't try the drip. I like this. I think we should like dance out of the studio.
I think I don't care about that.
Why don't you guys melt? Why don't you go
Oh, should we melt down? Okay, here, give me the fork. And then we're gonna melt off the camera. Okay, ready?
be the drip?
We're like the drip. Slow down. Okay, ready? Bye, cake friends.
Bleh.